Ano ang ating hiling para kay Tatay Dino? Pag-iinit ako ng magsisihan ng mga taga-Holland at sa buong European Union. To Holland and the European Union, the world looks up to you as champions of human rights. And yet, it is very clear that the ICC acquired jurisdiction over President Duterte through kidnapping. Why is the Netherlands, the jailer of Duterte, quiet about the violation of a fundamental human right of the former President of the Republic of the Philippines? Yes. And because he was abducted, this is the cry of the Filipino people. Send him home! Send him home! Send him home! Send him home! Send him home!
Wakan mo nga to.
Now, what is our message to the world? The world, we want you to know that we have one president who will be the best ever president in history, and that is who?
Duterte! 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 Duterte!
We are marching today to call your attention to this very serious violation of human rights and a very serious violation of Philippine sovereignty. They ignored their own statute that before Duterte should be brought to The Hague, he should have been brought before a local court to ensure that his rights are respected and that Philippine sovereignty is also respected.
Yes!
Did they comply with that?
No!
And because they did not, what should be done with Duterte?
Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home! Bring him home!
This is already the 66th day of the kidnapping of President Duterte, and yet the love of the Filipinos have not waned. Who is the most loved president in Philippine history?
Duterte! 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 Duterte!
So to the young people, we are here at this in midday to let you know that the Philippine president is the most beloved president and could not be the criminal that the Marcos regime claims him to be. So to the world, particularly to the Dutch people and the European
Goeiedag. Ja. Jij gaat zo meteen met z'n mee. Dat snap ik. Ja, ja. En de mensen die... onder hier, not there. Nee, dat jullie in ieder geval deze weg blijven. Ja, dan zo dit die kant op. Oh, oké. Ja?
masses. Free Duterte! Free the Philippines!
Magsalita ka rin by Dutch. Kaya mo.
Sulang pantas ko.
Okay.
Bring him home! Silence, please. Silence. Stop, stop.
The Filipino people, 2025. We are not happy. We are requesting for our beloved Rodrigo Roa Duterte to be released. He needs to be in the Philippines. He was illegally taken from the Philippines and he was stripped by his constitutional rights, his human rights. The ICC is calling for human rights, but they are not respecting the rights of Rodrigo Roa Duterte. We are calling the Filipino people and the community in Europe. You do not know what is happening. Europe does not report this one in the media. We are not happy. The Filipino people are not happy. We want Duterte to be back in the Philippines.
Sir, stay lang kayo. Dito ka lang, sir. Ano lang. Tuloy mo lang. Kasi magbibigay sila ng petisyon doon eh. Bibigay nila yung signature, ano. Tuloy mo lang yung ano sa tao.
Pwede nang magingay. Pwede nang magingay.
Yeah, go ahead na.
Ikaw ang ating ilalakit sa ICC. Send him home!
Send him home! Send him home!
Send him home!
Send him home!
Free Duterte!
Free Duterte!
We are here in front of the ICC.
So, alive po tayo dito ho sa harapan po ng ICC ICC Criminal o International Criminal Court. Dito na po, huminto na yung ating pong itong mga taga-suporta ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. Ito po ang sumama sa protest rally na ginawa dito. Mula doon sa Malifield hanggang dito sa harapan po ng ICC detention o ICC o International Criminal Court. At pumasok na yung ilan ho sa mga leader or organizer na nagbigay ng petition letter para may parating sa may International Criminal Court. Magsasalita ito sila doon, sir.
Pwede na pumunta doon?
Oo. Ikaw lang, yung ano ka naman, di ba?
Sinong nandun?
Nagsalita na kayo doon? Andun sila din.
Ayan mo. Late na late kasi tayo. Ayan mo lang. Dito na lang tayo. Ayan mo lang.
Wake up! Wake up! Send Duterte home! Send Duterte home! Send him home! Send him home! One more! One more!
So ganito yung kaganapan dito, no, napapalibutan ng pulis ang area. Meron pong mga riot police, meron pong mga police patrol, may kabayo, no? Ang area kung saan nagpapakita ng kanilang suporta ang mga taga-suporta ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Roa Duterte. So kanina, nawala lang yung live natin, no? Nawala lang yung live kasi nga nalubat ako. Kaya putol-putol yung ating pong live.
Kuya, kung Congratulations.
Ay, sa inyo po. Kayo po. Thank you po. Sa inyo. Medyo nawala lang tayo kanina.
Salamat sa inyo.
Water? You want something to eat?
Fine.
Yeah.
You have another one on the 23rd, yeah?
Huh?
On the 23rd, there's another one?
24th.
24th.
Yeah, and 31.
24th.
And 31. But it's different organizing committee.
Okay, but can I see it on Facebook when I see
Yeah.
the...
I will send you the link.
Oh, terrific, thank you.
Yeah. So, but it's. I think it's the other place or here. I don't know. I don't have idea yet.
Are you familiar? The bigger the crowd is here,
Yeah,
the
yeah.
smaller the crowd is over there.
Yeah.
If it's even a smaller one, it's by the canal,
Oh,
Parliament.
yeah,
So this is number one on side.
Yeah.
Number two, if it's a bit smaller,
Yeah.
over there,
Yeah.
by the canal.
Yeah.
Okay, thank you.
Welcome. Thank you too. Yeah.
Okay,
Just send the link if you're ready in publish.
okay, fine.
Yeah. Thank you very much.
Okay, thank you.
So meron tayo kaninang na tatlong international media. Isa yung Radio NL, Radio 15 NL, based from The Hague, and yung EB Journal, mga press na nandito at nag-cover. So, tayo natin kung hanggang ano oras yung hanggang ano oras yung ating pong pag-alis dito. Ito, magdadagdag. So pagkatapos ng kainan, siyempre gutom. Medyo malayo-layo rin yung yung nilakad natin. At kanina doon si Harry Roque. Si Atty. Harry Roque. Hindi ko alam kung sumama dito. Kung sumama dito si Atty. Harry. Pero ba? Thank you. Oh, yeah. Thank you. Saan kayo galing? Sumama ba kayo? Kasama ko. Hindi kita nakita. Napay? Pwede napay?
Yun, munggo. Ang kumapapaisan.
Saan lang munggo? Okay, kain mo na ako tinapay.
Oo nga.
Thank you.